right now. We have an F1 tornado, St. Louis. It's about to hit us. Here's what we have. Oh my God. Yo, I'm heading inside right now. Yeah, it's about to hit. I'll update you guys if it gets really bad. Right here, I'm gonna start moving so you can see what I see. It's like moving in real hard. Whoa. It's a big wall line coming in from East St. Louis. And we're under a tornado warning and a severe thunderstorm warning. I just wanted to show you guys how crazy it is right now. The winds are about up to 80 miles and it's about to cluster us. Holy crap. It's moving so fast. No, I'm watching. Look, it's hook echoing right now. Yo, this thing's moving. Oh crap. Dude, this storm system's moving in real fast. Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh crap, it's starting to rain, guys. Whoa, whoa. Where's my dad at? Yo, Cuddy, get ready. Look how fast the clouds are moving. Holy crap, they're moving so fast right now. Oh my God. Oh, get inside, it's about to pour. Cuddy, get in the garage. Come here, come here. The wind is crazy right now. The wind started changing direction and it's about to hit in a count of 3. Get back, there's gonna be a wind burst. This thing's flying at us. Oh God. So right now we had a tornado warning. Oh, you can see it. You can see it coming, you can see it. It's rain wrapped. Get back, get back. It's about to fly at us. It's rain wrapped. Yeah, look, watch, you see. Holy crap. Get ready, it's gonna hit. So basically so in St. Louis they had golf ball size hail and the wind was up to about 115 miles an hour. Oh, it's raining. Hold on, let me get back in here. Wait, check if Dad's coming because I can't go out there. It's raining. Oh my God. Yo, this thing is. Oh crap! Dude, it's coming in hard! Oh shit! Yo, you guys seeing this right now? Holy crap! Oh God! Dude, this thing is flying in. Dad cannot drive in that. Dude, whoa! Oh my God! Holy crap. Let me go to the rain raft. No, don't go in there right now. It's rain rafting. That's actually really cool. You can see it on film. Come look at this. You can see it on the camera. That's how much rain is pouring right now. Dude, you can see it. You saw it came. Yeah, that's okay. Dude, it came out of nowhere. You could see the wall. Hey, don't say anything. I'm gonna be quiet. Oh, you feel that cold wind coming in? It got really cold. Oh, shit. Dang. It's nice though. Yeah. What the? What? You see how the wind, look, see how the wind's circulating? Uh-oh, yeah, that thing broke. Oh, whoa, it's already flooding on ours. Dude, holy crap, you seen this? Let's go to the water park, everyone. Yo, it's... Oh my God. Yeah, I think it's definitely not walking over there. We should record it now. What's weird is there's no lightning or thunder. That's the weird part. Like it's like a crate. It's like a there was a tornado, but no lightning and thunder. Look at it. You could see it dance. Kali. Yo, Kali. Look at it dance. It's dancing across like the road. You see that? Yo. Where's that? Dude, that broke. Like when the wind came, it
Oh my
yeah.
god, it's flooding.
Oh wait, dude, it's already flooding.
Really cold.
Yeah, that cold wind came in real fast. Whoa.
A plane driving in that? That's a bad idea.
You can see how powerful the wind is. Look at this. Wait, the sun's already come. Whoa, you can see the sun's like starting to peer out of the darkness. Hold on, mom's calling me. Go answer her. Go answer her.
Why?
Because I don't want to end the recording. Actually, at this point, I'll probably just